Genie is a digital AI companion developed to assist users through voice and emotion-based interaction. It can engage in conversations, learn preferences, offer reminders, manage smart home devices, and provide entertainment or emotional support. Genie detects and responds to user emotions using facial expressions and voice tone. Genie learns user habits, schedules, and preferences over time. It controls connected devices such as lights and music. It provides updates on news, weather, and reminders for events or tasks. It plays music, tells stories, jokes, and provides companionship. It moves around the home or room to interact dynamically. Genie helps people remember to take medication on time. It sends reminders for daily tasks such as eating, grooming, and household chores, so routines are maintained and daily living is more manageable. Genie asks how the user is feeling, does daily mood check-ins, and helps monitor emotional well-being. Care managers can see changes over time,